Today I want to talk to you about the power of perseverance. Life is not always smooth sailing. It's more like a roller coaster with its ups and downs. But remember the bumps and twists that make the ride exciting and memorable. When you face any challenges or setbacks, it will easy to feel discouraged. Moreover, believe in yourself, your abilities and your dreams. Surround yourself with positive influences and keep moving forward. The path to success may be long and challenging, but with perseverance